a, I guess, makeup collection. This drawer is full of makeup and all beauty. I guess I'm just gonna show what's up here. So my nails are pretty ratchet and crusty, but I'm going to Modern Pampered, whatever you call it. I'll insert the logo here next week. But yeah, so these are all my nail polishes that are like my favorite to use, and my go-tos. They're all literally white in shades of light pink. I've got my Fenty lip gloss. Literally look at that. And then my crusty Polaroid that has really ugly emoji stickers. I was like in 8th grade and I thought it'd be cool, but it's literally so ugly. Yeah. And then my sister Isabella got this for me. It says, "Giggles, secrets, sometimes tears, sisters and friends through the years." And then inside I just have all my like bracelets, and she put Sophia R. I don't know why. And then this is a bottle I got from City Walk, and I just thought it was cool. I used to have my makeup brushes in it actually, but yeah. And then up here, so do you guys remember when this was a thing to have on your, what's it called, home buttons? Yeah, really ugly. I have, well, this because I have an iPhone 8. I have a lot of rings, some earrings, oops, and bracelets. Like my favorite bracelet, my Tiffany bracelet. I got it for my 18th birthday. And then I have just, I don't know, little things. And then, if you cannot tell, my favorite are turtles or sea turtles. I got this from Cancun. I got this from my dad. I don't remember where he went for a business trip. This is my Juicy Couture perfume. And then a fake little succulent plant. And then literally I googled like Tumblr drawings or whatever. That came out bad. I also made this, which turned out really, really ratchet. The background looks good, but the actual writing is really bad. So every single canvas in my room I've painted. I've painted this one. This one's like one of my favorites, and then this one's probably my favorite. So the first drawer is my like box drawer and randoms. This is all eyeshadows. A tub of all eyeshadows. And then these are just some stickers. My sister got me a sticker pack, and these are the ones I don't like. So I have like this palette, the Beauty and the Beast palette, like my Naked, like so many. And I like to keep boxes, I don't know why. These are all like eyeliners, literally all eyeliner. Probably like one of my least favorite drawers. This one is my, I guess, eyes. So I have a lot of falsies. I don't even wear falsies, but yes. And then this is for when I had extensions. This is cleanser. I only had them once. Another beauty blender. These are all mascaras I've tried or I liked. These are all brushes that I just don't use every day. And I have another extra mascara and another palette over there. This next drawer is my lip drawer. Kind of ghetto that they're in bags, but that's the only way I can keep them organized. So these are glosses. That's supposed to go there. And this one stings so much. If you've ever tried it,
I love it.
It stings your lips so much. It makes them actually plump. And then here are like my nudes, kind of. Like pinky nudes. These are all my nudes. These are all red. And then these are my chapsticks. I've either used them or I haven't used them yet. These are all my Kylie and KKW stuff. So I got this, wait no, Posy K? Yeah, I got this and this at her pop-up shop with this liner. So I have a gloss and a matte. And then these are, the rest are Kylie. And then these are Kim's. Although I don't really use lipstick, I mostly wear just the Fenty gloss. That's probably my favorite drawer. These are all face masks, only face masks. And yeah, this is also just like face stuff, but like other masks, but not like these kind. So this is what I clean my brushes with, and then this is a brush I use to apply these, or this like liquid, what's it called, masks. I have a bath bomb in here and face wipes and cleanser. Well, it's disorganized because I just cannot find a way to make it organized. This is all my face stuff. These are all like serums and like other little mini stuff. Like I have razors there too. I don't know why I still have this bottle, but yes. So makeup removers and everything. I have more makeup stuff, remover, and then these are all lotions, and then I have other moisturizers in here. I got this from the Aspen giveaway, and I really like it. Yeah, this is my like face drawer. Love this one too. This one's really messy, but oops. Okay, I actually accidentally broke this drawer. So this is my hair product drawer, and I can't take it out a lot because it's gonna fall. So I have a lot of hair stuff. I have a lot of Not Your Mother from BeautyCon. I have hairsprays. I have hair dye because I got that from BeautyCon too, like in my bag for free. I have like leave-in conditioners. I love this stuff too for after like using it in my hair. I have a lot of dry shampoos and love this, and yes. I have a trash bag for when I dye my hair, because I like to randomly dye my hair pink. I don't know why, and it's from the Dodger game, and I put the dye in here, the gloves, and the brush. So yeah. So this next drawer is all stickers, my retainers I've had, and all my bags. This thing is full of stickers. I love stickers. I don't know why. These are all brandy or just random. And if you guys didn't know, at the end of the tag of your shoe for Vans, it's actually a sticker. A shout out to Marcella, because this really reminds me of her, and I don't know why. Actually, I do know why, but yep, these are all bags. Lots and lots of bags. This is my art drawer. This is actually Gobs that she forgot here. A canvas painting. This ratchet one. That's like when I really began to start to paint. This is a Beauty and the Beast one I did.
Has glitter on the side.
Oh yeah. That part made it ugly, but whatever. I made this at Gob's house. I meant to put a quote here, but I never finished. So it kind of looks like eggs. This is one my cousin Jocelyn made, and I love it. And I just have like 2 picture frames, and then all my paints are in here, and brushes. And yes, this last drawer on the bottom's a junk drawer, which we're not gonna open because it's a junk drawer. And over here on this side is my all-time favorite. They're all pictures that I've taken. They're actually all in chronological order. So I was in 7th grade when I took that one and that one. Some of these are really dumb. I just really wanted to use my Polaroid. So starting here is 8th grade, and this is my first freshman one. So cringy, so cringy. Miranda is Ariel Isabella, and that was like at summer school. And then that's Cosette. Yeah, I've painted that before. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And these are just a few of my makeup beauty drawers. And yeah, I am gonna have a uploading schedule soon, and I will probably announce it in the next video since I am going to be uploading 2 videos a week now. And I think that is it. So bye.